What's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this really cool electric scrubber. Now, the company sent me over this to take a look at, and I think it's something you should definitely add to your cleaning arsenal. As far as what comes in the box, you have the two sections of the scrubber itself. You have 3 different brushes. You have a quick start guide, a user's guide, USB Type-C cable to charge, and they do include the wall adapter, so you don't have to provide your own. So first, I'm gonna clean the edges of the tub here. And this always happens. You have stuff sitting here and it just gets dirty. So we're gonna spray it with our bathroom cleaner. This is just like a simple foaming cleaner. Go ahead and spray and let that set. To clean this off, we're gonna go ahead and use the dome brush. And one thing that's nice about this is that you can extend it with this. So I can easily extend this out as far as I need it. Also, there are 2 different levels of power. So if I turn it on, there's one level, and then there's the second level, and then you can turn it off. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this on the highest level with this extended. And with it extended, I don't even have to get into the tub and clean. I can be fully outside the tub, which is nice. Go ahead and turn it up all the way. Clean that. And now, as you can see, as I put the water and get everything off of here, you can see that we are nice and clean now. Now to clean the main part of the tub, we have the flat brush on here. And same thing, like I said, I'm outside of the tub. I don't need to be in it. I can easily extend. So again, I don't need to bend down or anything like that. Turn it on. We'll go to the highest level again. And we can start cleaning everything nice and easily. We can see that the section that I cleaned is nice and clean, and the section that I didn't is still dirty. So this thing works really good. So for the corner brush, I'm going to clean my bathroom sink here, and I don't need this to be super long. So just to remove this, all you have to do is just go like this. So I don't need the extension at all. And I can use the corner brush to clean out, get those corners really good here in my sink. You know, this is great for corners in a sink, you know, around tile. It's going to be good in the bathtub around corners as well. So you can see I can clean those corners super easily with this, no problem. And again, I can turn it up to go really fast and get all that dirt and grime out of the corners here, which typically are the hardest to get is the corners. So coming down to why I like this one, it actually really works. So I've cleaned my entire bathroom multiple times with this, and it just does the job, and it makes the process so much easier for me, which is definitely a plus. Secondly, it has the extendable arm here, which is incredibly convenient. So I don't have to get down on my hands and knees and clean tile. I don't have to clean the tub and get down in there. This, I can do it standing up, which is really great if you have back problems or you just don't wanna get down in there. This just makes it so much easier. And what's really nice about that is this by itself is pretty big and can make it kind of awkward to get into smaller you know, places. So what's really nice is that you can detach this and now you have something smaller that might be easier to work with as well. You get 3 different cleaning heads too for different situations, which are really convenient, and they all definitely serve a purpose. So I definitely like that there as well. You also get the USB Type-C connection, which I really like. A lot of these home cleaning tools have like weird power adapters that if you lose the adapter, you have to buy the whole thing. You know, this, it's just a Type-C. So if you end up losing either the Type-C cable or the wall adapter that comes with this, you can easily replace those. They're not, you know, set to this specific device. They're just universal USB-C. So that's really nice there as well. So if you're looking for something to up your cleaning game, this is a product that I would definitely recommend.